Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm so excited because finally I would be sharing to you my entire Coach Tabby bag collection. Yes, so we are going to concentrate on tabbies first. So I would be sharing to you the pros and cons just in case you are interested in purchasing them. As you know me, I am a new coachee and I would love to share my new love to you, which is this brand. As we know, Coach has been slaying in the market, in the fashion scene, with very beautiful bags that they are producing right now. And best part is Coach is still affordable compared to the other luxury brands. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can be part of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me guys on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so we are going to do this in chronological order. So the very first Coach Tabby bag in my collection is my Coach Tabby Top Handle 20. So this is my very first bag. So here she is. So the color of this one, I'm not really sure of the official name, but her color is like espresso or latte. So the size of this one is 20, so meaning 20 centimeters. I was very lucky and very fortunate to be able to purchase this one. I think I got it 2 years ago for almost 70 to 80% off because this was the last piece from here in Coach Philippines, and I'm sure everyone is familiar that I don't really buy Coach here in the Philippines because it is very expensive here. So luckily I was able to find this one. What I do love about this bag, so of course the top handle bag, this is so me. I love a good structure. So this is actually the unfortunate part of this one. This is already a discontinued style of Coach, and I'm praying that they bring this back to again their newer collection, because previously when they have launched this, it came in 2 or maybe 3 sizes. So this is the 20, then I believe it comes in the 26 size, and I'm not really sure if it comes in the 32 size, but I still wanted to get the bigger sizes. So because that is one of the con of this bag, she's very beautiful. So the material of this one is the grained leather over here, as you can see. One moment. There, so she has silver hardware, then she has smooth box calf leather here and also at the back. And once you open, so this is what she looks like. So she has 2 compartments. So we have here the strap. The strap is fully adjustable and fully detachable as well. So of course, for the pros of this one, it could fit any iPhone Pro Max. So this is an example of Pro Max, and I have my Pro 11 here. But of course, since this is a size 20, so one of the con of this one is, as much as I wanted to put everything here, of course that would not be possible. So regardless, she is still very beautiful. I love carrying this bag, and since I purchased this one in such a steal, so I'm not really afraid to be carrying her around. And of course the material that she came with, so of course the color is neutral, then of course the green leather is like a little bit scratch proof. So this has been with me, and upon checking right now, I'm not really seeing like any deep scratches or whatever, or any wear and tears. As you can see at the bottom part, she has come with feet. So the hardware of this one is still silver, and she is still perfect. So another con of this one, aside from the size, I think the lock mechanism. So once you open, it's very easy. So you need to pull something to be able to pull her up, but of course closing, because you need to put this needle over here at this part over here, so sometimes they would not latch in and you have to take a look. But aside from this one guys, I am so in love with Coach Tabby Top Handle 20, and if I could get my hands on bigger sizes, definitely I would love to do so. Alright, so for the next Coach Tabby that I would love to share to you would be the Coach Tabby Jelly Bag. Yeah, so this one, this is not mine, this is Yen's, but of course, I would love to share it to you guys as an added eye candy. So we purchased this one in Hong Kong. So if you haven't seen the entire playlist, I'm going to link it here. Definitely, you need to see our Hong Kong playlist because we have visited a total of 3 outlet luxury shopping malls, and this is also included on where we have purchased this one. So this one, guys, this is another amazing steal when we purchase at Coach Outlet. And this one, so again, let me just show you the bag first. So the bag, this is a runway piece. So this is made entirely of the jelly material. So this is the front. So this is the C. So the C, this is not covered in leather. So I think this is acrylic as well. But the hardware is silver. So as you can see, it comes with this jelly strap as well, very thick. And it comes with this Coach tag that is made of jelly as well. So once you open, so it's like the same mechanism with my Coach Tabby Top Handle 20. So here it is. So as you can see, so you could put the larger phones inside, and once you put your phone, you would see what's inside your bag like this, so that if you are going, you know, on that style, then definitely this could be a perfect bag for you. So let me just remove this phone. So this one, guys, I have also read on this one because the Coach tag here at the back, this is not made of leather, it's made of jelly as well. And this is, I think, the only Coach bag that we have that it says here on top, sorry. So here on top, there is like an engraving over here, and it says made in Italy. And I think the reason why this is made in Italy is because this is a runway piece. So this one, so the detachable jelly strap is fully adjustable. Unfortunately, this did not come with a top handle. So that is one of the cons. And I told Yen that he could purchase maybe from any online shop to purchase like a short top handle so she could attach it here and be able to carry this one as a top handle as well. Size-wise, this could actually fit more compared to the Tabby Top Handle 20. So just to give you a comparison, so this is the 20 size, as you can see. So I think it's the same size. So what do you think, guys? Pro of this one, so this one, the jelly of this one, so I'm not seeing any scratches. So I was thinking the reason why I did not purchase this one, although it was such a great price, is because I was thinking that I might damage the material, but so far there are none on this bag, which is good. And the material of this one, so as mentioned, is jelly. She is not lightweight at all, so she has a little bit of heft. And as we know, if for example a bag would come with a little bit of weight, we know that it is of good quality. It's not flimsy or any of that sort. And maybe just one con that I could think of this one, so I'm not sure of the longevity of this bag. So this is jelly. Just be careful, guys, in overstuffing this bag or making this one very heavy, because we cannot be certain like this would not be, it would not rip off or anything, but hopefully it would not. But so far, ever since we got this bag, still she is in perfect condition and we don't have any issues. So this is still available, guys, currently at Coach website. I have seen it. If I could find, of course, I would be linking everything on the description box below, so you could shop all these Coach Tabby bags that I'm sharing for today. Alright, so the next Coach Tabby in my collection, so it is HK, and you know HK, if you have been following me, it is my Coach Soft Tabby Multi-Messenger bag. So here she is. So her material is the green cowhide leather. So the C over here is covered in leather as well. So this is the front, this is the side, this is the back. So this is a different, so this is a Soft Tabby Multi-Messenger bag. She is a little bit different from the classic Coach Tabby 26. So again, guys, if I forgot to mention, this is from the men's line. That's why it's a little bit different. And the reason why she has this at the back is because there are multiple ways you could carry this one. So this is actually for the leather belt, so you could wear it as a belt bag, as a bum bag. So the top handle is fully detachable, just like with the classic Coach Tabby 26. So here's the inside. So this is the leather strap that it came with, so that you could wear her as a bum bag. And this is the strap the canvas strap, so you could wear her as a crossbody bag. So this is the inside. So the inside, she has 3 compartments. So we have here in front, we have one large one here, and we have this one, a zippered compartment, and we have a slip pocket at the back. So she doesn't come with any back pocket just like with the regular Coach Tabby, but I still love her nonetheless. So I name her HK because I purchased her in Hong Kong at Coach Outlet, and I'm so lucky that I found a treasure, a retail design from the outlet. So as we know, it's very difficult to find a retail bag out the outlet. So when I saw this one, I said immediately, because again, it is another steal for a wonderful surprise of bag. So this is a perfect size for me. So this is again 25 centimeters to 26 centimeters. It would fit most phones. So here we have the Pro Max, no issue. Then we have the Pro 11 over here. So as you could see, you could fit all of your essentials, daily essentials over here. So for the color of this one, I'm not really sure of the official color of this one, but it's like a royal blue color. So as you can see, she is very perfect. I love the top handle. So this one's another difference from the regular Coach Tabby 26. The top handle, it's like a comparable to the Fendi Baguette, because this one, you cannot really wear her on your shoulder, but that is perfect for me because whenever I'm carrying this one, I love carrying her as a top handle, or I would be putting her at the crook of my arm. And of course, this one, guys, this is such a game changer. I never knew that I would love a canvas crossbody strap, but because sometimes I would be filling everything here, put all my essentials, and this would be a little bit heavy. But of course, with the crossbody canvas strap, it is very comfortable to wear with. So I'm actually thinking on my next travel internationally, this is a good contender because she would fit all the essentials that I need and more, and she would be very comfortable to carry. And of course, another pro of this one, the material, since this is a grain calfskin leather, so it would be very hard wearing when it comes to scratches. So again, I have this with me, so I'm not really seeing any scratches or anything on that line, so as you can see. And then of course, another pro of this bag, so as mentioned, so this is since a multi-messenger bag, so with the leather strap, you could wear her as a bum bags or even as a belt bag or a bum bag. We could wear crossbody like this. So con of this bag, so what could I think of? To be honest, I'm not really sure if there are con of this bag because I really do love this size. So this is 25 centimeters. This size is perfect. So again, another way of carrying her, as I can imagine. So you could remove the top handle, carry her as a clutch, carry her as a top handle like this for parties. Definitely, you could wear this one casually, and you could wear this one to upscale events. I would love to carry this one on fashion shows, fashion events, and she would be perfect for me as well. Alright, so last but not the least, the very last Coach Tabby in my collection. It is Hailey, and it is the Coach Quilted Tabby size 26. Yes, so here she is. So this is my most recent purchase from my Tabby bag collection. I purchased this one pre-loved from Japan. So let me give you a spin. So this is the front. The official color of this bag is Hay. That's her name, Hailey. Front, side, back. So the back, she comes with a magnetic pocket over here, and then the bottom part. And then of course, when you open, so she comes with many compartments. So we have this at the back, we have a zippered compartment, and we have in front, and we have this secret compartment with magnetic closure. So you could put some maybe bills or credit cards or anything like that. So this one, so it's the material of this one is genuine Napa leather. So I have to read it. So this part over here is leather, and then the interior part is made of fabric or canvas. So guys, this one, I am so lucky that I was able to add her in my collection because this one is actually really expensive here in the Philippines. Her price is around 40 to 50,000 Philippine pesos. And of course, I would not want to purchase on that price. So when I saw this one on the pre-love market at Japan, I said yes, and she was delivered to me. And I was so stunned and so surprised because I was thinking that she would come with a slight damage or slight wear, but oh my god, her condition is almost brand new. So I love carrying this one, guys, to be honest. So whenever I would be going out, right now, she is always a top contender. So Way that I really wanted to carry this one is always carrying her as a shoulder bag like this. And as you can see, her drop, she has enough space. So for example, you could carry this one maybe on summer, and maybe you could carry her on winter if you have thick coats. You don't have any issues because of this one. And of course, I love actually the drop, because if for example, you would not be like smushing her, because if for example, it would be like this, and then you put your arms, you are going to definitely smush her back. So it has enough space over here. So I love carrying her like this and putting her at the back like that one. So this one, of course, since this is the 26 centimeters, so just a brief size comparison. So this is the 25 size. So they're almost the same size. And since this is a quilted tabby, the bag expands a little bit, and it fits all of the essentials that I need. So again, size phone comparison, so Pro Max. And here we have the Pro 11. So there, so then you could fit so much more. So this one, I love carrying her on different occasions, may it be in a casual occasion or may it be in upscale event. As a casual occasion, you could carry her as a crossbody like this. Then of course, if you want to wear her on evening events, then you could wear her as a shoulder bag like this. You could even wear this one as a clutch bag. So just remove, tuck in the strap like this, and carry her as a clutch like this. So the color of this one is also perfect. It's haze, so it's a little bit neutral. So if you could see at the back, so at the back we have like the latte colorway. So this one is more of the yellowish undertone. So what else could I say? So this one, the back pocket, this one, this is also another game changer, because definitely your phone, you could put it inside and then you could close it. Although guys, to be honest, I really don't put my phone because I'm kind of afraid with the magnet, because I'm thinking that the magnet can do something techy with my phone. So are you also guys the same? So anyways, so this one, she comes with the braided shoulder strap with leather, and her hardware is silver. So this one guys, so this is the trending, I'm sure everyone is familiar that the Coach quilted size 26 or size 20 is a trending bag design with Coach, and I'm so happy that they have designed this one and given it to us, and I'm so lucky to have her and add in my collection. If you are going to ask me if I wanted to purchase another quilted tabby bag and add to my collection, definitely I would say yes. So if I could find one on a great price, and actually I'm thinking if I would go for the size 33. I have tried the size 33 in Hong Kong. It's a little bit big, so I could imagine that yes, she is kind of very unique because she is so big, but I'm thinking if I would be filling her up with the stuff that I need on a daily basis, it would be really heavy. Because one con of this bag, yes, she could fit all of the essentials that I need except for umbrella, is that she tends to be very heavy. And when she gets heavy, of course, since the shoulder strap is a little bit thinner, so you know, as we all know, we're familiar when you're carrying her as a shoulder bag like this, it tends to dig in here, and you know, I'm not really fond of that feeling, so I'm trying not to fill her up as much as I can. Aside from that one, another con of this bag is the closure of this bag. I don't have any issues with opening or closing, but sometimes of course it's a little bit difficult to put this needle over here, of course, at the hole of this one. But again, not really a big issue, so I could still live with that one. So aside from those two, so the material of this one, so yes, this is a soft buttery Napa leather. I've already carried this one multiple times on a whole day event, and guys, I am not seeing any scratches or anything on that line. So I'm happy, though she's still puffy, she's still soft, she's still perfect, and she doesn't have any scratches. So maybe this material is also perfect and would not scratch very easily. So definitely guys, I would be recommending, if you wanted a Coach bag in your collection, definitely get the Coach quilted tabby, either in the size 20 or 26, because this is one of the top of the line of Coach bag, and it is a classic style, and I feel that they are not going to discontinue this one. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at RamiraFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!